Governor Huckabee, what is the fair tax?
Well, Craig, what the fair tax does, it replaces our traditional way of taxation, which is essentially punishing people for being productive. That makes no sense. But it would get rid of all the income tax, the taxes on savings and investments, things that we ought to want in our economy. And what we end up doing is, as we get rid of all these taxes on the things we produce, we'd pay a very simple tax on that which we consume. Now, the simplest way to say it is, it's a sales tax. We're used to those. And it means that we control how much tax we pay. But think of the simplicity of it. And that's one of the three things that I find so attractive about the fair tax. Totally gets the IRS out of it, but it no longer punishes people for working, saving, investing, even accumulating so that they can pass on to the next generation.
Critics say that the fair tax is going to cause the prices on everything to increase by up to 23%.
Well, I think that's because they don't understand that there is already built into everything we purchase an inherent tax that we never see. Part of the problem with our tax structure is the lack of transparency in it, because there's an embedded tax in everything we buy because things have been taxed, all the payroll taxes, all the income taxes paid by both corporations and individuals, all that's folded into the product. So when you buy something, you're not just buying a product, you're buying a product plus all the taxes that have been squeezed into it that you never see. Take those out. Take every bit of it out. And what you're going to pay is an honest tax of what you purchased. But that levelizes the playing field when we buy something made in America versus buying something made overseas.